Here's everything you need to know at Dollar Tree for fall. I know it might be early, but these things sell out so fast. I want you to know all the best products, and I'm like Ariel today. I can't talk because I forgot to bring my mic into store, but that's okay. I'm gonna pantomime for you. We're gonna have so much fun. And first up is this chopping board. Perfect for soft cheeses. I loved all of the wooden items this year, including this Lazy Susan for just $5. I do not think Target could hold a candle to any of this I'm seeing in store, including Kirkland's. They had these light up leaves and these centerpieces at just $5. You couldn't even DIY it for this price, and these textured stacking pumpkins. I've got so much to show you, but you want to see the $1.25 items. So here we go. Hands down, my favorite product are these signs at just $1.25, the cider and the pumpkin pie signs. Oh my goodness. And more products I predict will sell out are these hangers. They are so cute. They're actually kind of wiggleable at the top. They also had these yard stakes. I love the neutral pumpkin look this year for just $1.25. These looked incredible outside of my front door. Also, the wooden signs have really stepped it up this year. If you're one of those people who likes to keep it simple, you do not have to have a crafty bone in your body to enjoy these products. And a super quick upgrade hack is to take a favorite ribbon of your choice, tied alongside this faux book stack. Let me know in the comments which of these stand out to you. I think my favorite are these faux rolling pins. All of them are brand new. But the pumpkins, holy bananas, y'all. Look at these. These are just $1.25. They have so many colors and textures, and they even have these little picks. But I want to show you what to do with them. I'd say it's going to turn out like magic. Let's hit it, y'all. So they had these leather covered pumpkins as well, and the fuzzy ones I had to get. And even these mini packs that come in the faux leather. I was so excited. There I am pantomiming more and then laughing because I actually don't need more of this in my house. But oh man, I'm actually going to give this to a friend, so I'm really excited about it. I went to the summer clearance section at Michael's and found these wooden boards for just a couple of dollars. Never be afraid to shop the craft store and combine it with Dollar Tree products. I like to choose a one color scheme and roll with it. We've got a few in this video, but I'm going to start off with this beautiful dusty orange and zip tie together the floral picks. This is the hack to give yourself a greenery garland. These are so expensive at the craft store. If you've been to Michael's, you know they're like $24. I put some Dollar Tree candles inside and 3 colors of pumpkins, a neutral, a blue, and a brown. I also added some more neutral leaves inside, and this was so elegant on a budget. And I want to know in the comments, do you like to decorate with orange or more with blues and neutrals? The friend I'm giving this to really likes decorating with orange. She was so excited. She was shopping with me in store. I feel like there's something for everyone this year.
I'm going to DIY it on a dime. I have to stop. I've got to stop. I have to get out of Dollar Tree.
That's why I like taking simple summer items to create these big projects. Spray paint a hula hoop and add a summer pool noodle to the side of it. Now you can use this as a foam round to stick in some of those florals, add some pumpkins to the top. You have a giant wreath that you made so affordably. Also, right now, Dollar Tree sells trellis. Typically, you use this for your tomatoes or in your garden, but if you zip tie these together, you can add greenery over top. And what I love about this, I've used it for years, is how interchangeable it is. You can decorate this for fall, you can decorate it for Christmas time, whatever your heart desires. I have 2 nails on either side of my doorway, and then I just hang this right on top, and this looks incredible. I get so many compliments on this, and it was all done from the dollar store. And holy bananas, y'all, I have some hacks that are going to save you so much money. Dried eucalyptus is so expensive at the craft store, but if you go and get some of the blue-toned leaves, some blue-toned pumpkins, and add the dried eucalyptus on top, it really elevates any space on a budget. Also a hack, don't pass up these scent brooms. The cinnamon ones, the pumpkin ones are awesome in all of your displays, so it actually feels really high-end when you walk in the room. Look at these eucalyptus branches, y'all. They're like $60 to $80. You can do the same thing from Dollar Tree. Here's a side-by-side comparison. It looks so elegant. But I think my absolute favorite hack of the video is making a tree. Yes, a tree using those dried eucalyptus branches. They're technically called silver dollars, and you can hot glue these and use some floral wire on a stick that you got from outside. Just after it rains, grab one that you think is a pretty shape. I also got some rocks just down by the creek and took some styrofoam and put in the center. That allows you to stabilize your tree, and I covered it with some Dollar Tree floral moss. And it is such a wow statement in your house, especially for the fall, in an entryway. And did you know that Dollar Tree sells hoop wreaths? They come in gold and a bronze. You can use these to make really elegant fall wreaths. And my trick is just putting the leaves on one side of the wreath. I use wire and hot glue. And another trick is to take these pumpkin wreath forms. Now, I know you have a stash of pumpkins at home. You can take them out of storage or get some new ones if you want. I gave this a quick coat of gold spray paint and I zip tied the bottom together and I made a little display cage for all of my pumpkins. This looks so cute out in our living room. Some other really beautiful finds were these wood bead garlands. I was really impressed with these, especially the maple leaf ones. And they also had mini pumpkins as well as these door hangers. The wood signs were really fun. They had mini mushrooms and I really liked this round one. I thought the DIY possibilities were endless, so stay tuned on that one. And if you don't know what to do with all of those signs, definitely avoid the ones that are spelled wrong. I thought that one was really funny, but I just like to buy 3 of them in colors that I like and glue it onto a piece of scrap wood. This gives it some weight and now it looks like a giant and intentional piece on your mantle. Add some greenery to either side, and this you can do for just about $3. I cannot believe that they brought back the tiered trays. This is the one item from the Dollar Tree Plus I would recommend getting. It seems to me they only carry this during the fall. These retail in other stores for upwards of $100, but you can take all of those pumpkins that I showed you at the beginning of the video. I love these textured woven ones, some of the smaller picks, and then you can add all sorts of greenery. This is such a great transitional item. And the Dollar Tree sells candles. I'm going to tell you my favorite scent in a second so you don't go anywhere. We are going to help your home just smell great. Go to Dollar Tree and get their vanilla extract. Now, this is technically imitation vanilla extract, and I don't use this for cooking. I will just take some oranges. Sometimes I use clementines. You could even use dried fruit here. Some cinnamon sticks I also got for $1.25, and I simmer this on my stovetop. Man, does this smell so good and will really bring fall home. And right now, yes, right now is the best time to get your candles. And my favorite Dollar Tree scent is the French toast and pumpkin butter candle. I rate this a 5 out of 5 stars. It smells so good. They also have oils that you can add to diffusers. And yes, the Dollar Tree does sell diffusers for just $5 in the plus section. I'll be sure to link some of my favorites below. And I'm going to show you a couple of Halloween ideas. You can drill a hole into the bottom of the plastic cauldrons, add your diffuser, and then put some deco mesh over the top. In Halloween settings, this is one of my favorite tricks, and the kids absolutely adore this one. Definitely give it a try. Also in the Halloween section this year, brand new were these little candy corns. At least they were new to me. And they also had these over the door hooks. Remember the fall ones I showed you? These are totally gonna sell out too. I just broke down the candy corns, so I only spent a couple of dollars. And then I got more of those hoop ring wreaths. And I just took some hot glue, and on the back of each candy corn, I did a little pattern. I added one underneath of the skeleton's hand, and this wreath is adorable. I wanna know from you guys, do you decorate for Halloween? I don't really do very much inside, though they did have a lot of really cool items. I only decorate outside, so there are 2 items I want to point out to you to get now. The first is this giant spider web and giant ghost. You can get Dollar Tree solar lights. These work really well, especially Halloween time, to light up your front porch. And wow, do these larger items for just a couple of dollars look amazing. Giant fuzzy spiders are just $3. That is a killer deal. Excuse the pun. And at just $3, this giant ghost is going to make super fun outdoor DIY. That's what I'm really focused on when I'm in store, just for the trick-or-treaters. But I think my ultimate favorite is another lighting product. I had low expectations of these shadow projectors, but I was overwhelmed. At just $1.25, these would be awesome on a front porch, especially this season. Lots of these items I've seen at other stores for way more, including these giant wood signs for just $5 and some really cool candles and trays. Can you believe I voiced over a whole video? How am I going to give you a hug? Don't worry your heart one little bit, my sweet friend. You are enough. I'll catch you soon.